Welcome back, CSE 3200 Yukon Stores. We're in Chapter 15 of Criminal Intent, nearly there. So this is going to be a video that I'm going to insert a couple of years after the original set of videos as maybe an addendum to get us started. So when you go to the next video, video number 1, the first minute and 54 seconds, there's a lot of information there that is going to get replaced. Now, some of it's still relevant, so you should take a look at it. But, well, have you ever wondered why some of the videos that I have that aren't from this year have a different banner, like a different app bar at the top? Like ours has none. And it just has right up here the time, and it doesn't have like a title. And in some of the videos you've seen a title, and that's because that as a default has changed over the years. But we need it for this chapter and for the homework assignment that I have for you. So that's the intention of this video, is to show you how to get that back, the app bar default theme from a couple of years ago. So you're going to want to go into resources, go into values, go into themes, and we can select this one here. And I'm going to go ahead and stop this. And here is my default theme. And even these comments weren't here before, but it's kind of nice because I could just uncomment this, and this kind of works as a default for my default color. Now, I do have a problem in that in colors, I don't have that particular color called my light primary. So I'll make one. I'll copy that. I'll go into colors, and I'll paste it here. I'll grab this. And so my light primary color is now white, and I can change that later to whatever I want. But here in themes, it should understand that now. Okay, so base theme of my package, theme material 3.day-night.no action bar. So that's why we're not getting any colored title bar up at the top. Now, by the way, I don't want white, and I don't know if white will show up anyway, but we're going to put here is theme.material components, so even this will go away, .day-night .dark action bar. And, well, that seems like an odd name for this. Maybe we'll call it my dark primary, although actually, no, I think I'll keep it my light primary. So if I go into my colors now, let's change this to something that is, well, let's change it to something that isn't white. So let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors here, which means that these two are my alpha layer. The next two will be red, then the next two will be green, and the next two will be blue. So if I make this red, then I'll make these guys 0. And that shows up as red. I can lighten this. That didn't lighten it at all. Let's put this up at FF. And there we go, it lightened it a little bit. Let's try a little bit more. Just takes it a little closer to a mauve purple, I suppose. Okay, so let's run our app now and see what we get. All right, so we get our criminal intent SP25_0, and I now get a colored toolbar. And I do want to show you one more thing in strings. This name right here is this string right there. So the app name is getting put into my app bar. So Let's change this to criminal intent. I'll run it one more time. And there we go. So that's all I really needed to show you. Make that change. You want to make that change likely. It depends, but do it anyway. Make that change in both of these files. I think the homework assignment will tell you a little bit about what colors, but the rest might be up to you. Okay, so see ya.